Merry Christmas and welcome to the South Padre Island Chamber of Commerce. Well, today's the day. It's the day you all have been waiting for. We always do shop local during the Christmas season here on the island, and we encourage people to come to the island and have a great time, eat some food, do some shopping, and turn in their receipts of $20 or more to any of our drop-off locations. And we put them all in a bucket with your name and phone number on them. We verify them, and then we're going to stir them all up, make sure they're good stirred up, and choose a winner. And we have with us today Arturo from Breakaway Cruises, who just happened to pop in just the right time. Just the right time to scare us all to death. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these, all of these. Now we had over 1,200 entries this year, which resulted in over $120,000 of local dollars spent here on the island. So thank you all so much for that. It's important to all of our businesses here on the island. So we're going to take those, we're going to dump them in this bigger bucket so we can make sure that they get all mixed up. And Beverly and Arturo are going to play in the little papers, and then we're going to draw one and see who wins. So here we go. Drum roll. Whoop, here they go.
Let's play in the sandbox.
There we go. Play in the sandbox here. Mix them all up. Get them all up. By the way, these little entry forms have to be filled out completely in order for them to qualify. All right. All right, are we ready?
Okay, just to make it all fair, I'm going to lift it up so you can't see the entries in here.
There we go.
Just so you can reach in there. Can you reach in? Okay, let's go.
All right. Who we got? Here's the lucky winner. Now this is a $500 compilation of gift certificates of businesses here on the island.
Okay, the winner is Melissa O'Donnell from Dell Rapids, South Dakota. Woo! Congratulations! Melissa, we'll give you a call for you to come down and get your gift certificates.
And she made her purchase at Blue Marlin. So, goes to show you, you can shop anywhere on the island during Shop Local, which is the end of November and the first part of December, and turn in your receipt for your chance to win. So, Melissa, congratulations. We'll be calling you and letting you know when you can come on down and pick up your gift certificate. So, thank you, Arturo. Thank you, Beverly. Thank you, Renee. Thank you all.
And thank you, everyone, and make sure you participate next year.
Yes, thank you for everyone that participated and sponsored. There was a drop-off location. We really appreciate you. So, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!